From Buck Wild to a regional jail, 24-year-old Salwa Amin is facing 4 felony drug charges in Nicholas County. She appeared before a magistrate Monday morning to deny those charges.
These aren't right. All these things that I've been charged with are totally wrong. The officers that came and searched me, they didn't find anything on me.
But police say they did find oxycodone pills in Amin's purse and 3 pouches of heroin in the small building that Amin was found in.
I had just got there.
Amin was with 2 others, both arrested, Jason Jones and Detroit resident Sean Booker.
We have been starting to see a substantial amount of heroin within our county. Pills at this time is our main problem, followed close behind by meth.
4 counts of trying to sell drugs. Bond was set for each of them at $200,000, something Amin was not happy with.
I just want to know, why my bond is so high if I have never had a felony before.
The reality show was just renewed for a 2nd season. Amin has been previewing a new modeling website. We reached out to MTV, but they declined comment on the arrest.